my next door neighbor. About a couple, 6 blocks away. He's got a Jeep like mine. I don't know if you've seen it. Probably didn't see it going by. He's got a pretty badass Jeep like mine. Done there. It's nice to be done, huh, kids? Wow, not quite done. We had to go pick up a couple of calendars today. Also, this is the week we're supposed to be doing shit. Getting shit done, you know what I mean? These you drop off at O'Reilly Auto Parts. Done. The old oil, you know, you don't throw it in the trash. They'll recycle it. They don't charge you anything. So that's kind of cool. Free is always good, right, gentlemen? Done. And let's turn this way. Oh shit, we put this on there too. Keep the dirt off the strainer filters there. Okay, we'll put this away. I think it's time for a new towel, huh? Look like a scratch. Oh, man, you're overheating like a beehive. I'm gonna shut you down because that's when it fucks up the batteries. The battery's overheating. Oh my god. They expand. Yeah, it's nice to get the shit done, isn't it, guys? Some of it. We're doing good. I would do the dirt bike right now, but I don't have the oil filters or the oil for it. It's coming in. It's full synthetic oil too, and 10 weight 40, I think. Tusk oil filters, which are good. They're cheaper than the half price. You know what I'm saying? Compared to Yamaha, they're good oil filters. I've been running them in all my bikes. But anyways, all right, let's grab those 2 generators, put that cap back on, and we're gonna fire up one of them. One of them needs a little splash of fuel to fire up. As long as it... Oh, I shut off this one. This is the companion 30 amp outlet. You know, we don't want to bang into any cars, gentlemen. That doesn't please me, and we want the exhaust to go out. So turn it on, vent the cap, and it should fire right up. Turn it on, vent the cap, choke it. good. He just ran out of fuel. We want to run the other one for just a little bit. That's good enough.